everybody, it's Irish Rebel. I'm going fishing. It's late. Let's see what we can catch.
In a 1 minute video.
In a 1 minute video. Alright everybody, here we are out there. About to cast this guy here. See if there's any pikes around.
Okay.
Alright, here we go.
This is for a 1 minute video.
All this for a 1 minute video, yeah.
And 24 seconds. So now all we do is wait.
See if there's anything.
I thought I heard a duck.
Alright.
Up, nothing yet.
Nothing on that cast.
You heard the duck too, right?
Mm-hmm. It's not a duck, it's
A goose?
no, it's just a frog.
That is not a frog. Well, I'm calling them a duck. Okay, sorry. Got kind of sidetracked there. Alright, Dad, you got a few more seconds.
Okay. Still filming?
Yep, 3, 2, 1, and it's over.
Still nothing left. Alright guys, well, thank you for coming out with me, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.
Sorry, I accidentally paused. Say that again.
Alright guys, well thank you very much for letting me be me, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye. Hey guys, hopefully I'm recording it. There is a star moving. I have zero clue how to get to it, so then you guys can see. But yeah, there's an actual star moving, and I have zero clue where it went. It's actually a looking star. I guess it's gone.